Hi, I'm JT Shrewsbury,
I'm Susan.
and you're watching Scursive. Okay, folks, it's day 4. I'm just went in and got me some morning coffee at 7-Eleven. It's like 6 something in the morning. Usually wake up around 6. This morning I woke up around 5 something. But this is what I do in the mornings. Get up, grab me a coffee. It's not very far. You can actually walk here, but got this rental car. Might as well use it. Looks like it might rain. Some clouds in the sky. It is very nice outside. I think I'm going to sit outside on the porch, front porch, and I might go to the marina. Sit on one of those benches, drink my coffee. It's too late for the sunrise. The sun's done already come up. You see my the drive ain't too bad. Just right there. Same as the walk to the beach. It's not far at all. It's a great exercise. And here's my assigned parking spot right here. Sandy Shores apartment. That's it. Not far at all. Boca Drive. There's a marina over there. You know what? I haven't been down to this marina over here. I'm gonna walk down there and sit down and eat my donut. They have chairs. Drink my coffee. Folks, I think I can live here. I mean, this is a nice little neighborhood. Nice little houses. You know, nice little retirement area. I know Susan don't like to eat, but I tell you what, just come out in the morning, like I do. That's what we've been doing. Getting up, going to the beach. We're in by 10, 11. You know, we're indoors during the worst of it, I guess. It's really nice. These homes are fabulous. I mean, look at these things. Look at that. Now, these guys didn't do shells, they did rock. I think that looks really nice. You know, palm trees. Get your Jeep. Just a cute little neighborhood by the ocean. Hang out wherever you want to hang out. If I lived here, though, I think I would get some jet skis. Definitely. I'd keep the golf cart. Probably put a different engine in it, so I can get it over 19 miles an hour. Or have the current one retuned. And get me a couple jet skis. do some exercising every morning. I have to take it down. I don't think I'd want 3 dogs. I think I'd want to take it down 1 or 2. Have to get a little gate like that. Keep the dogs in. Or an invisible fence. It's a beautiful neighborhood. So the other side of the marina. It's one of these beach houses. It's called a beach house. It's a dock. It's your own boat. Regular boat, sailboat, whatever. Oh, there's a pelican. Wow. This definitely would be the place to be. Get you one of these little side lots. Get your boat, jet ski, whatever. Just go out boating every day. Pull up to restaurants. It's very nice. Storm brewing. Folks, the red tide is out in force this morning. You can see the water has changed color a little bit. It's a little browner, reddish brown, close to shore. If you look further out, you can see where it's supposed to be that green color. It's not that green color this morning. It's been churning all night, since yesterday. And now if you look at the beach, you can see the red tide. It affects animals. Humans, it's just a respiratory issue, upper respiratory issue. You know, you'll do some coughing. Other than that, it's not going to really bother you. It's just an annoyance more than anything. But, a little snake. You know, watch where you step. You don't want to step on these things. More snakes or eels, whatever. But fish everywhere, all the way up and down. All those dots up there are fish. You see Susan sitting way over there. But yeah, they're definitely probably don't want to swim in this today. Plus, I mean, I think it's going to storm. Maybe. Looking pretty dark. We'll see. Saltwater cat, maybe. Some kind of snakefish. Yeah, Got him too. Just trying to see what kind of fish we got up here. Looks like mostly small ones that hang close to the shore, which is where the red tide is mainly right now. Saltwater cat, maybe orange roughy. Yeah, all up and down. Don't want to swim in that today. Hey, what? It's not gonna hurt you, but I don't want that shit all over me. You're swimming with dead animals. That's enough. Just a little further. Snake looking thing. If it's an eel or what. So folks, all right, we decided to drive north to Clearwater. We're at Pier 60 at the moment. As you see behind me, pay parking. You got little pay stations you can pay at. You tell how long you're gonna be here and they'll charge you accordingly. You just gotta leave by that time, or it's like 40 bucks for the entire day. But as you can see, let me turn this around for you. All the storms are back down by St. Pete's Beach, by where we were. But this is Clearwater. We're gonna go look at the water. See, I'm sure the red tide's up here as well, but I just want to go look at it. We'll probably walk on the pier, check that out. You want to walk on the pier instead, or first? Might be easier.
What part of my shoes are wet?
We're gonna walk on this pier. Probably won't video the whole thing, but we'll just do it ourselves. I'll take some video or photos of anything interesting. Now, the difference between this beach and mine is, looks like the sand is a little whiter here. Still looks soft, just looks a little whiter in color. They have lifeguard stations you can see out there with flags telling you how the water is. It's a yellow flag today, which I don't know what that means. Huh?
Did you lock the car?
No. You didn't either. You forgot to lock your car back in Cincinnati. Somebody's probably already got into it. That's city. I mean, there's water on both sides of this little area. That's kind of the way it is everywhere. You know, where bungalow is, there's a lot of water all the way around. I got some stuff going on here. I don't know what the heck that is. Looks like a hydro ball, but I guess it's old because the picture shows it clear. That's definitely not clear. Here and that, you're not seeing out. Nice little fun zone, I guess, for kids and adults, I guess too. I don't know. They got some cones.
Like a trapeze thing, bounce and flip. Not trapeze, but
Bungee? I don't know. I have no idea. I really don't see anybody in the water. Well, I guess there's some people over there in the water.
There's a yellow flag.
What's the yellow flag mean?
Use caution. The riptides.
Okay, so riptides.
One red flag means that it's extreme, and 2 red flag closes the beach.
Okay, so we're only at one yellow flag. Yeah, white sandy beaches as far as you can see. And there's sun out. And you know what? I don't even see the red. From what our beach has. It doesn't look red at all. So, yeah, we might be changing our suits and just hanging out here today. I have to go back and add some money to that meter. I don't know. I think I might see some fish down there. Maybe not. It's definitely not as red as ours.
A little busier.
Yeah. Our beach is not this busy. It's a little more secluded. Yeah, this water's nice and clean. It's nice and clear. Clear water. Clear water Florida. Up and down the beach, yeah, it's pretty. There's a lot of people up here. That's kind of why I didn't book Clearwater. It's just a little too crowded for my taste. I kind of like less. Less is more. It's really not that bad. I mean, as far as crowding goes. I wonder what the cones are for. There's still some kind of algae in here too, because I'm coughing. It's making me cough. What's that?
Looks like from vehicle traffic.
Maybe we're gonna have a race. How's the water?
Okay.
All right.
But I don't know, like a mile that way, it could be worse.
It's pretty bad on Madeira Beach. There's dead fish everywhere. It's red, reddish brown.
Walk outside without coughing. I'm gonna lose my sunglasses if I keep doing that.
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about it. Hooked on Pier 6. I guess you gotta pay to get on there. Well, no fishing from here to park. You gotta fish on the other side. No jumping or diving. No overhead casting. No cast netting. No alcohol. No pets. That's the rules.
I guess I gotta stay here.
Is that alcohol in there?
No.
Oh, okay. No pets? So this just must be for fish. I'll take a little. I don't think we're gonna pay to get in there. It's only $1 a person, but we're not fishing.
We don't need to go over there.
Yeah, we don't need to go in there. Now we'll take a look in the store. See what's going on in here. Oh, little shop. Oh, look at this. You got a pirate thing.
I can buy one of these.
I think that might be a bottle opener. It is a bottle opener. A bottle opener.
You can get one of these.
Yeah?
$20.
Oh, that's not bad.
I really like that cord.
Yeah.
It's got longitude.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Coordinates.
Yeah.
Did you keep some of the magnets that they have? They're really pretty magnets.
Nothing cool for fat people. You should come in here and get some fishing gear. Get your little Spider-Man fishing pole.
Ugly stick.
Do some casting. That's a nice little shop. Coast Guard. Okay folks, I'm back on the GoPro Hero 4 Silver, recording at 1080p. It's in its waterproof case because we're about to go to the beach here at Clearwater, Florida. So the sound's going to be crap on this one, but we might get some good views. We'll see. Waiting for Susan. She's changing into her suit now. We wasn't really planning on it. We didn't know what the weather was going to be like, so we didn't wear our suits here. We just came. So we had to run to the bathroom to change into some trunks. Okay, let's head to the water. Clearwater. Gotta wash this salty sweat off me with salt water. Folks, come this turtle to get your rinse the salt water off of you. I'm following Susan. I don't know where we're going. Definitely a perfect day to get burnt.
I got sunblock if you want it.
No. I like the sun. We're only gonna be out here for an hour or so.
But it is the hottest part of the day.
Just starting out. Most of me will be underwater. There's definitely some red tide in this. You just can't see it. It's just very low.
You gotta go over there somewhere. Maybe in the lifeguard's way.
You can probably rent these, but I don't know who you rent them from and how much it costs. Or if it's first come, first serve. I think it's first come, first serve. You guys rent these or are they first come, first serve?
Yeah, they come by and they charge you.
Okay. Okay. Alright, cool, thanks. Yeah, so that's first come, first serve, and on these beach rows, and they just charge you. So guess if we see the guy, we'll ask how much the chairs are.
I'm good.
But yeah, I'm good too. Alright, I'm about to go get in this water. Hopefully the waves don't take my glasses away. Should probably leave them here. Right? I better leave them here. Plus I don't want to get one of those suntans with glasses or the raccoon eyes. Ooh. Water is cold today. Feels good. It's not cold in a bad way, it's just refreshing. It's a definite temperature difference. Shorts on that one. Forgot to tie it. Had to tie my shorts. Forgot to tie them. Almost lost them. There's kids out here. Speedboat over there. Probably dolphin watching. Saw some dolphins yesterday. folks. It's raining in St. Petersburg right now, in Madeira, mainly St. Petersburg. And they've got the red tide down there. So what do you do in that case when the sun's not out, you know, and it's rainy and you want to get some sun? You just move to a different beach. Just go to a different beach. It's always sunny somewhere in Florida. Wind station. Susan's on the boardwalk, or on the pier, walking towards the shop. She wants to buy a shirt. There it is. Pedal power. Today, folks, we're coming to you from Clearwater, Florida. It was raining in Madeira Beach. It's rainy, and they had the red tide. Of course, I showed you in the video earlier. But we ended up at Crabby's again. They have a Crabby's up here. We liked it last time, so we're going to get it again. Susan found, here, let me show you real quick. Okay, Susan found her drink.
Dockside punch.
Dockside punch. She says it's amazing. Okay, here's what's in it right here. I don't have my readers today.
Pineapple vodka. Fruity mix of pineapple vodka.
Yeah, she's got the dockside punch up there. So yeah, and I've got the Crabby's crab trap. It's right here. Beautiful Clearwater, Florida. What do you do? It's honey. Good hush puppy. It's like as Susan said, it's like a corn dog without the hot dog. Food is here. Susan got her gator bites. She loves gator bites. She had them for the first time at Crabby's by accident. Now she can't get enough of them.
Gator is good.
Gator is good. Tore into those hush puppies. And I got there's a lobster, what they call a lobster roll. I'll tell you what, this is, ever since I discovered it, I can't stop eating them. Okay, we're right across from parking. Sorry, Clearwater. We've got a little activity stand, so you can do parasailing, pirate ship, all kinds of stuff. Parasailing, Megabite. It's a boat shaped like a shark. They've got all this stuff down in John's Pass as well. We just came from Crabby's over there where the red tents are. It's pretty busy here. This is kind of like the Gatlinburg of Florida. So there's if you stay here in Clearwater, what I would do is just stay in one of the hotels, one of those nice hotels, park your vehicle, and then just walk everywhere. That's probably what I would do instead of getting in this mess. Because we're parked over here now. Once I walk over that car, people are going to stop and they're going to say, hey, he's leaving, so they're going to want my parking spot.